Cause I haven't posted a video in a minute. I'm literally just gonna record. I guess it's just like a studying thing, getting ready for the week. So what we do have coming up this week would be Tuesday, nothing really important. Monday, nothing. Wednesday we have CPI year over year and core. If we get a hotter reporting, I mean, if we get anything higher than what's already expected, then we do expect the Fed to keep pausing rates. If it comes in hotter, people are expecting them to even pause them by 2026. Thursday, initial jobless claims, so some job reports. We have PPI and core year over year and core PPI on Thursday, and then Friday we have nothing really. Earnings hub. Uh, It's gonna be the ninth, right? Okay, we have Chewy, Love, Adobe, ORCL. Let's check out ORCL. Oh snap, okay. Oh my god, I'm actually kind of mad. I had the 165 calls, and I sold at a loss, and then they were deep in the money. But right now, I am in CRM. CRM is kind of falling. I got in before this breakout right here. So I got in like somewhere down here, 260s, 63. I am in the 15th of August 300 call. I'm in this one. I got in, I think my average price was 250, somewhere right here. So 250, 465. So I'm up nicely on that, and I'm gonna hold. Hopefully these go all the way to 18. But I am trying to find a play for this week. Starbucks was a really good play, but I had really terrible contracts on this one, especially with a short expiration date. I could have probably profited well if I chose something not deeper in the money. Because I had picked the 100 calls for this week. Now, the play originally was nice. Right? We had this daily breakout right here, and we had all this choppiness. And I was probably already in somewhere right here. On May 23rd to 27th, I was already positioned. Then we had the strong leg up from 83 all the way to 89. I had the 100 calls. Average price was 11, which is stupid of me. I should have got the should have at least got the 90s, because the 90s were at 20 at one point. See, look, 27, 22. I could have got in at could have got 20 at 23. Sold all the way up here, but I am currently in CRM, IWM. I'm looking at Dash. Dash, I had, oh my god, forget that, right? Apple, we have this sort of trend line right here. It's kind of lagging, honestly. It's not really doing anything. No major news on Apple, just that Trump is trying to kill them. Adobe, yeah, forget Adobe. Well, I mean, I'm positioned on some ugly contracts expiring in August, but I think it was August 15th, the 600 calls. These are like ugly contracts. I got these. Let's see, AMD probably could get a breakout soon, especially if Nvidia starts doing something. Nvidia's already trying to break to all-time highs. AMD might even follow. This is actually not bad for AMD at all. And you have the 20 and the 21 right here holding. So it's actually we're actually gonna play a long. Let's see if they bounce. They could hit the 200 daily, which is 125. Then we look at the 125 expiring on 27th of June. 158, 156. Not ugly spreads at all. These wouldn't be bad. Get 3, maybe 5. If we get 2 weeks out, 125 is at 99. I mean, they're not going to move as much. Even if we get a $5 move up, it'll be 200. No. If I get the 19 days out. So this one's not bad at all. Let me write that down real quick. So I might do AMD 125 call expiring 27th of June. And then they're at 158, 156. It's a very, very low spread, which is not bad at all. It's exactly what we kind of want. Amazon is looking to break out. We have sort of a little breakout right here at 214.84. If we break out, there's nothing really stopping this. This is all just a whole bunch of selling from the tariffs, a whole bunch of selling, and then taking profit. You know, we had all-time highs up here, so a whole bunch of selling. This actually, Amazon might not be a bad trade at all. Probably I could target the 220s maybe. No, I mean there's nothing stopping this honestly. Probably all the way to 228. RSI is at 56, so I mean we still have a lot of room to go. So let's look at Amazon. The problem with betting with these companies would be any tariff talk, anything that might mess up anything. You know, I'm basically looking for a push higher before the deadline. Tariff deadline that Trump has imposed. April 25th, 90 day on July 8th. So we honestly have a whole month of just like positive movement. And then whenever that day comes, I mean, I feel like we're just gonna have heavy selling. So I mean, if we have a whole month before the deadline, Amazon, I think I should get in the money. The 215s, 215, it pushes all the way to 230. I can make decent money, or I just get 2 weeks out, get the 220s maybe. They're pretty expensive as well. 5 days out, get in the money. I don't know, we'll see how that plays out, but Amazon is in my watch list. Amazon breakout of 214.84, right? That was it. Yeah, okay. So Amazon, we're looking at Amazon, ARM, AVGO, Baba, Coin, Costco, no, CRM, I'm in CRM, Dow, oh snap, Dow is actually not bad at all. We had a little breakout right here. Go all the way to 53, break out of it, touch 58. Consumer report might fuck this up though. Let's look at Dow. Okay, we're at 50 right now, and if we could push to 53, 25 days out, expire next month. These aren't bad. These do not have bad, but there's not a lot of open interest. Yeah, I don't know. Dash, Disney. Look, I'm so mad at Disney. I was gonna short it when it touched up here. I never did. But, oh my god, I was supposed to get in DKNG. Fuck. I have it listed right here on my notes. DKNG. I was looking at 15 August 45. 15 August, I had the 45. Where's the 45s? At the 45s marked in at 42.36. Ugly spread. I could have made, wow, I could have made 100% return. Wow, okay. I mean, what's the news? Any crazy news? No, right? Nah. ENPH. Wow. Yeah. Trump took out government contracts for them. I'm pretty sure I read something like that. Google's actually breaking out finally. I've been seeing it in the 60s so much. I mean, look at this trend. I think they're still going through some I forgot what's it. Oh my God, Robinhood dropped $3. That's probably because of the S&P inclusion thing didn't come out on Friday. INTC, IONQ, J&J, JP Morgan about to hit all-time highs. Coca-Cola might start coming down a bit. It's like a safe haven. Meta, Microsoft, MU. Guys, look, on Friday I saw a report, and I'm pretty upset about this. So right here, this initial spike up, there was a report on Donald Trump, basically saying how he wants to like have more secure drones, something like that, right? So I was at work and I saw this initial push, And then I was looking at it right here. I was like, damn, I should really, you know, have an entry. So not Joby, but I was looking at ACHR. I mean, just look at ACHR aftermarket. So right here, they had their initial pop. Right? They had their initial pop. I was looking at it down here, somewhere around here. I was like, nah, I shouldn't get in. And then I also looked at the 27th of June, the 12 contracts, 24, 23, and there's a $1 spread. So I was like, nah, I don't really want to get in. I'm already like, you know, in some positions. I don't want to make a new one. So I got in with my paper account. So my paper account, I have the ACHR. I have about 60 contracts at 23 average. And yeah, tomorrow they might open. So I have the ACHR 12. They might open somewhere around 60. So it's 100% return. But I'm gonna make a lot of money in my paper account, which is stupid. But yeah, and then we have CPI. Yeah, guys, I'm gonna close this video. I just wanted to post something because it's been a minute. All right, bye.